You get me so. You get me so.
What up, everybody? So happy 420. I have a cool little video set up for you guys today. I'm basically gonna be showing you some of the cannabis products that I have for makeup, for skincare, even for your nails. So I'm gonna show you guys throughout the video a couple different things that you can use cannabis with. It's not just about smoking it, it's about wearing it. So I have this little bag here that's gonna have my cannabis products that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be taking some out of here. This little tip that I would recommend for everybody: your mom, your grandma, your tia, your sister, everybody, girl. Like, this is not going to get you high. It's going to relax you and you're going to knock out like a baby. Okay, so at the dispensaries you could get an ounce of stems. These are just stems. So you guys see, literally just palitos. So what you do is put a cup of water to boil and you just sprinkle some of this however much you want. You choose, girl. Usually, I don't know, I just get like a handful and I just put it in there, and then you could drain it once the water boils. Add some honey, some sleepy time tea, mix it with some sleepy time tea. Girl, knockout. It honestly makes you sleep so comfortable. So first tip: first thing before doing our makeup, we need to make sure that we prep the skin. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some eye patches that I just purchased, and I'm gonna be using this for my clients. So I'm just little by little, I'm upgrading my kit and just trying to make it better and more elevated. Every little thing I can do to elevate my service so my clients can be happy and call me back. So Nigel's yesterday and I got these. So they're basically some 24 karat gold eye patches that are gonna help to basically smooth, hydrate, and plump the eye area. I just realized I don't have a mirror. I think I put that shit on way wrong. Where is my mirror? I put that shit backwards. Wait, did I put it backwards? No, I didn't. Yes, I did. Okay, guys, I figured it out. It was the right way, the first way. Alright, so now that we have those on, we're gonna leave those on for a little bit. Second thing out of my baggie is gonna be this one, which is actually my favorite. So this is the Kiehl's Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil. Basically, this is gonna be helpful for blemish prone skin. So when you have breakouts, or just to prevent breakouts, or just to calm your skin, basically it's gonna help to to calm and rebalance the skin, so calm down the redness and like the bumps and everything. Okay, using the Drunk Elephant Proteiny Moisturizer. Okay, so this one is really good for hydrating. We just really want the skin to be really plump and hydrated and smooth. So I just removed the eye patches right now. I'm just kind of like putting that excess little serum that it has all over. Quick little tip for any eye cream or eye serums or anything, whatever's left, you could always put it around the lips, because we get those little fine lines around here, just like around the eyes, the thinnest skin here. So I like to let my skincare soak in a little bit. So as it's kind of sitting on my skin, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys one more thing. I'm gonna my little baggie is this. So freaking cute. It has glitter inside of it. Let me see if I could. Cute. So this is basically to help hydrate the cuticles. And first, let me tell you about these nails. They are holding on. They are fucking holding on. Look at the growth in there. This has a little brush, which is pretty cool here. and then you twist this part here, and then the oil comes out through there. So this is cuticle oil infused with CBD, and all you're gonna do is put it on. This helps to keep your set fresh, nice and hydrated. We just leave it on at night. See how much more hydrated it looks? Yeah, look at the difference. Look at all that shit. Yes, but if you like to keep your nails looking fresh, you need one of these. I'm gonna be using the Fenty foundation. If you guys haven't tried Fenty and your combo oily skin, bomb, girl. This shit is bomb. It's fire. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. I'm gonna be using my Hourglass brush, which I'm like in love. This is the Hourglass brush and I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the foundation with this. Alright, so next we're gonna go in and use the Fenty matchstick. This one is in the color Truffle. So these are so bomb, and the cool thing about them is that they dry matte. So if you're in a hurry and you want to do some contour, you can't set it and do all that extra shit. You could just put it, blend it, and go. So the one thing you do need to know about these is that you have to warm them up, because they are matte. They're gonna be a little bit dry when you first put it on. So if you just go open it and put it on, it's gonna be a little hard to blend. So what you want to do is go ahead and just warm it up on your hand. That's all you got to do right there. That's it. And then you want to go in and apply it. I'm gonna be doing another video on foundation and contouring, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it. Like that. My nose is a little fat, so we gotta get it skinny over here. If you want to try this trick, you could go in with your foundation brush and kind of just like blend it here like this. Always blend up though, so see how it's like diffusing. Now we're gonna go in with the Fenty concealer, and I like to warm this one up too, so I put a little bit on my hand here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just apply it. And yeah, I even do it with my fingers. You could use a brush. I like this brush from Sephora. This is number 71, so it's kind of like a flat brush but not so flat. So that would actually be good. So you could actually bring the concealer in this way, which is gonna help to create that contour look. And this one here, I'm gonna be using this amazing palette, Pat McGrath. This is so amazing. The most amazing pigments ever. Has like a gold, more yellow, and then the pinkish one. So what I like to do now that it's kind of cooling down and it's drying, the setting spray that I put, I'm gonna go ahead and just mix all of them. It's gonna go right on the highest point here. So you want to make sure that your highlight doesn't pass this area here, so the end of the eye. Okay, so for the eyes, I'm just gonna bust something out because I really don't know what I'm gonna do. But I do know that when I think about 420, I think about, of course, weed. But mostly everybody instantly thinks green, right? Like a green look or something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna do something green. But then I think about purple too. Gotta think about those cookies, you know, the little purple. So I'm gonna add a little bit of purple. So those are gonna be the colors that we're gonna be focusing on today, okay? I'm using the bronzer that I used for my face, the Anastasia one. This is in the color Rich Amber. So I'm gonna be using a fluffy brush here, and I'm gonna do more like a winged out smoky look, you know. So I'm gonna start out here, the corner here, but I want my eye look to go like this, kind of like a wing. So that's the way that I would need to basically create my shadow, my crease here. So I started in the middle, and then I'm just gonna kind of like flick it out a bit, so you see it's already going that way. Anastasia Subculture palette. I'm gonna go ahead and use this color here. It's called Fudge. So I'm gonna use that same brush that I was using, that fluffy brush here. But here I'm gonna go ahead and take it more just on the crease here and flick it. So first you want to make sure that you basically place the color where you want it, and then worry about the blending. So here, of course, we're gonna have to blend all that out, but here is where I want that color. So see how it's going that way. So now that you have that shape going on, I'm gonna make it real easy, and I'm gonna go in with my Stila. Yes, look at that pretty color. And then that's the name right here. Take a flat brush here, and I put a little bit on my hand. Here we're gonna go in with the Natasha Denona palette. I'm gonna use this color here. You guys can see I love this color, Natasha Denona. So just a flat brush. I'm gonna go ahead and take that color on both sides of the brush, so that way when there's not much left on one side, you could turn it to the other side. And I'm gonna go ahead and spray it, and we're gonna go ahead and apply. Ahead and added some eyeliner, some lip liner, and some purpley tones under here. For the purple, I actually used the, again, Anastasia, the Norvina palette here. And then I put a little bit of another Stila glitter at the last thing in my makeup bag is going to be, in my Cannabis makeup bag, the MAKEUP Kush mascara. This is so bomb, guys. So I actually did go ahead and curl my lashes. You want to make sure you get the root of the lash here and jiggle up. So this is just one coat of it, and look at that. And make sure you do the bottom lashes. So here you guys go. This is my little glam 420 glam. I hope you guys enjoyed some of the products that I showed you guys, and thank you for watching. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do that down here. And thanks again. Happy 420.